In this video, I will guide you that how you can host your VUE JS application on Firebase using Firebase hosting. So first of all, I will navigate into the VUE.js folder where the source code of the app is there. So I will open the terminal here and I will first of all start the application using npm run serve. The development server is starting. As you can see, the server is started and the project is running at 8080 port now. And here the project is located. So to host the project, to host this project, we will have to first build the uh, project using the command npm run build. So I will go in the directory where the source code of the app is there. So I will open the terminal here and I will type npm run build. This command will give the build folder that will contain the static files of the VUE.js application. So the production build is building. It will take some time. As you can see, the build folder is successfully created. The static files are generated using the npm run build command. Npm run build. So here in the dist folder, the static files are located here. So what I will do is I will copy these. I will copy these files. The static files I will copy it from here, and I will make a new folder hosted Vue.js application. And now I will open the terminal here, and in this directory I have opened the terminal and I will type the command firebase init. You have to remember that if Firebase is not installed, we have to install Firebase. So to install Firebase, what we will do is we will go to the Firebase hosting. So to install Firebase, we will use this command npm install -d firebase tools. I will copy the command and I will paste it here. I'm closing this terminal and now to install Firebase. It will take some time and I'm skipping the video part. So as you can see, the Firebase is installed. Now before running the commands for hosting the build files, what I will do is I will open the Firebase console. I will simply click go to console and it will open the Firebase console for me. You can simply create an account on Firebase and you will be able to go to your console. I will click on add new project, enter the project name. I will write Gambit resume, click on continue, and yes, default account for Firebase. You have to keep in mind that we don't have to paste the Firebase credentials in your app, because the Firebase credentials are required for using the Firebase services like database, like authentication. These services are for using these services we are required to paste the Firebase credentials. Now I will click on the continue and our Firebase project is created. Now I will click create a web app. I will write here again Gambit resume. You can write any name that prefers your requirement, and I will click on the register app. Simply I am not checking the checkbox of setup Firebase hosting because it's not required. Now I will continue the console, and that's it. Now our Firebase project is created. Now the first command that is using Firebase hosting is Firebase init. You have to keep in mind that you are in the folder, in an empty folder, where you will create Firebase template for hosting the Firebase VUE JS static files. First of all, I have to log in using Firebase because I am not logged in. So first command is Firebase login. I will write these commands separately. Firebase login, and I will click yes, and it's now redirecting to my Google account, and I will choose my account, and Firebase login is successful. Now I can close this window, and now again I will write Firebase init. To initialize this directory for Firebase hosting, I will write Firebase init. So I will choose yes, and I will choose hosting. Press space bar to choose the product. I will choose hosting, and yes, use existing project because I created the project right now, and project name is Gambit Resume. This is our project name. Firebase init hosting. There is an error, so you can see yes, using existing project yes. This is the yeah. I will click on the error was that actually that project was old, and the new project is this project because the names actually uh, there was a conflict between names. So I will click yes, public directory, and yes, rewrite all URLs to index to HTML. No, I don't want to set automatic deploys using GitHub. So I will click yes. So Firebase initialization is complete till now. I will close this terminal, and now what I have to do is in this public folder, what else is written, what else this public folder contains will be hosted. So for now, if I open this is the index.html file that contains this view. This will be hosted, but I don't want to host this file. I don't want to host. I want to host my static files. So what I will do is I will copy these from this folder, the static files generated for our app. So similarly, you can generate the static files for your app as well. I will go in the hosted Vue.js folder where I have initiated the Firebase initialization. I will click on the public folder. I will delete this file, and I will paste those files that I have copied previously. So now only the simple next step is that I am on the root folder where Firebase initialization I have done, and please keep in mind that you are not in the public folder because this will lead to errors because Firebase JSON actually hosts the Firebase uh, host the files static files that you are containing in the public folder. So I will open the CMD here again, and I will type Firebase deploy simply. Oh, sorry, there is a type error. Typo error. Firebase deploy will simply host those files and will generate a URL also where your files will be hosted and your project will be hosted live for free. That's it. It will uh, it will take some time, and 91% and it's finalizing the version finally. Yeah, so the release is complete. Hosting URL is project console is located there. You can see, you can copy that URL from here also, and hosting URL is this. I am copying this, and you will see that it those this project that I was running locally I will be able to open that there also. Gambit resume. Yeah, so you can see that this project I am able to log in. So that's it. Thank you.